Hello everybody, TaxiFaxi here, and welcome back to another video. And today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator Part 2. And
if you didn't
today
part 1,
I just downloaded an extension called Roblox Plus that made us go in a server that only had one person. That's overpowered.
I got one royal jelly.
Where did you get it from?
Here.
Where's here?
The mushrooms.
Oh, should I go?
Yeah, it's so easy.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's harder on the computer.
What would you go parkour?
I wish I could full screen. It would be so much easier.
I don't like full screen.
I do on the computer.
Oh, I do on the computer.
Oops, I fell. How do you kill it? I can't kill it.
That's unkillable. You're not supposed to kill it.
I mean, how do I... Whoops.
Let me do it.
I mean, how do I get there? Why was I saying kill it when I couldn't kill anything?
I thought you said the mantis.
What mantis? There's no mantis here. The ladybug, you mean?
No, that's this mantis thingy-majiggy.
That's not a mantis.
What is it?
I don't know.
A stick man.
Yeah, that sounds great.
You can't even jump up here.
I can, yeah. That extension I downloaded was the best extension ever. We were trying to get VIP server without Robux, but then we came across that extension and it made everything better. We were scrolling through all the servers for like 5 years, right, Charlie?
Yeah, like 10 with 1 hour. That's why we couldn't upload a video. We tried to find less lag, so we found
yeah.
Yeah, and it took 4 hours.
Okay, I'm going on the last jump now. I failed it. Charlie, can you wait for me?
I'm just gonna put my little jelly on the I got a hasty bee.
Cool. I wonder what I get. I hope I get a legendary. That's like really rare, though.
I'm just gonna wait.
I'm just like legendary and then I say rare.
Legendary rare.
I know, right? No! Why is it so hard? And it's also so laggy.
It's so easy for me.
It's not that laggy, actually. My other computer also can record, so I might go on there later. I'm just gonna try to do everything in one fellow sweep.
No, I do it. I just continually jump. I don't stop.
That's a fellow sweep.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
And you always jumped at the right time.
Yeah.
Oh wait, actually it's easier when you do it in one fellow sweep. For the first part, at least, because the first part's easier. I cannot get this file, Charlie. Sorry, that is Charlie's brother and my sister. They are quite annoying. Right, yeah. Charlie? They're the most annoying beings on Earth.
You know, do you want to explain what happened?
Sure. I was like, what is 1 plus 1? And she's just like...
No, the other story when I got knocked in the...
The what?
The one that I,
Oh, yeah. Charlie's brother hit Charlie, and Charlie was like, "Stop!" But then he wouldn't stop. And then when we went downstairs, the little brother and sister were complaining how Charlie hit the little brother, and he was really hurt. And then they're just like, "Charlie hit him first! Charlie hit him first!" And then we're just like, "Lingar's a liar." That's the name of my sister, by the way. And then we're just like, "Lingar's a liar. Lingar's a liar." Okay, guys, actually, I don't think I can do it very easily on the computer, so I'll just do it on the iPad. Sorry, guys, you'll probably have to stare at the screen for like 5 seconds, and where's my iPad?
Why do you want to do it for iPad?
Because it's easier on my iPad. Sorry, guys, I'll just keep you entertained by saying stuff.
I'll just play for him.
Charlie's playing for me while I try on the, what? I'm joining you, and I'm joining myself. Am I allowed to do that? Will you be able to see 2, dark taxis? Nope. Okay, Charlie, you try. You try one more time.
I don't know how to use them.
Okay, then just leave. Okay, guys, Charlie, go back.
Okay.
1 second, guys. Wait, not work at a pizza place. my gosh, I just accidentally pressed work at a pizza place. Oh well.
I just wait. And
I'm
then
leaving.
I hit my baby foot on
Okay.
the stairs. The lemur was wide so badly, and then Mom got me in trouble, and Lemur said, "Go outside if you don't do it." And
then-
do it again.
and
And
then-
I just went on the stairs, and then I said, and then I said, "Go out of the stairs," and I just walked on the ground.
Okay, actually, what would be better is if you went in. What would be better was if you went into the house
Yeah.
that we have, and then you could say, okay, I went out of the house, I went outside, and then I see you. I'm on iPad now. Guys, sorry about that.
Try it out. If it's just me.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of people.
Wait, it's so much easier.
There's 5 people in the game.
What happened?
I don't know.
Should we rejoin a new one?
Nah.
Okay, but if it gets laggy, then yes, okay? Sorry, guys. I'm really sorry that you can't see.
I just didn't know what the one is.
Please don't leave the video. I know this might be really boring for you, but please, for the sake
Just
of us.
skip ahead for a few minutes. I'll just get some food.
Sure. I'll put this part in time lapse and add some music to it, just so that you guys aren't that bored.
Or maybe we can edit in the video.
Yeah, we could also talk, by the way, because time lapse doesn't record sound, and we're adding music to it. So. I can't make this the jump across.
Alexa.
Timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
I can't make this one. Oh wait, I just made it. I can't make this one either. So wait, I just made it.
It respawns on it.
No, it doesn't. It never respawns. It doesn't.
Oh, I did it before.
It doesn't respawn, Charlie.
For me, it respawned before.
It does. It shows a shadow of it, but it never actually respawns.
It didn't respawn one time.
Okay, well then, it just bugged out for you.
And Maxie's gonna go now.
Alright, bye-bye. Okay, I'm back, everyone, and I have got the royal jelly, and I have left the game. So, it was obviously easier on the iPad. So, iPad's gone now. Anyways, now that I have the royal jelly, I can upgrade one of my pets.
Hopefully you didn't hastily like me.
I think I'm gonna get something else. Okay, I'm gonna first feed some strawberries to this one. Okay. Strawberry
I'm trying to
done.
complete my quest.
Both of my bees are at level 3 now. Okay, I'm gonna try royal jelly on this bee.
These are like
I got a rad bee.
These should
Wait, is yours an uncommon, a rare, or what?
Mine is a
Yours is
UCD level 2 speed.
it's a rare,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's what I have.
Mine is rare too. Mine is red.
Mine is
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy another basic bee, by the way. Oh wait, it's 2,500 now. Okay, what do I have on my quest other than like treats and stuff? Red pollen. That's in mushroom field then. As you can see, I've collected the royal jelly and it's not up there anymore. I can't believe I actually got it on the iPad. I was just like, I can't make this jump, and then I made it. And then I'm just like, I can't make this jump either, and then I made it again. It's so weird.
it's just hard.
Oh, my pollen container's full.
You just
Charlie, I'm
snap-
starting to lag. Can we join a different game?
I'm not.
I am. I'm leaving.
Mine is a silver, please.
Oh, it's really easy because all you have to do is go to servers, and I will join 1 out of 6 players. I'm going in.
How did that guy play by himself?
I don't know. Maybe all the servers were full, so then he just find another one, or I'm not sure. See, there are only 2 people in this one. Including me, that is. Bop, 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 bop! Charlie, that's too loud! How do you like screaming so much? Wait, I need to go make honey. What am I doing? Charlie, please don't play on the keyboard!
Yeah, but
It's so annoying. And how it off? I really want to turn it off, too.
how do you turn it off?
You just press it.
I'm putting my face
Oh, it's 12:45. Charlie, it's 12:45.
Nah, I'm gonna wait until it's so 1.
Alright.
No, I'm a danger.
By the way, someone's coming to my house today at 4 o'clock.
Can I use it?
It's her name's Ashley.
So now,
No, you can come. You can come.
so no videos available.
No, maybe we can actually, because there are 3 devices in total. I'm gonna ask her what she can play. Anyways, right now I'm buying more treats, so I need to get at least 5 treats. I bought 5 treats.
Ray is a loser. Wingard is a loser.
Really. Oh, I'm almost finished with my red request.
Oh, yeah. My quest is for
I think I'm finished.
1,000 balloon columns. No. I see you fighting a lady.
I'm not fighting it. I'm just trying to collect the red pollen here.
No, oh, I'm on blue.
Oh, so you already did that. Oh, I'm finished. You got that from Blackberry.
There's not a lot of blue.
After this game, what should we play?
When I head out into the superhero tycoon.
Aww.
What do you want?
I wanna play Skyscraper.
Sure.
I got some honey.
Bean, what are you doing? Protect me.
Okay. What are you doing? Okay, now I'm on blue pollen.
Okay.
Why don't you go to the blue flower field?
No. The mantis is dancing on a mushroom.
It is. I don't think that's a mantis. It's a stick man.
Stick man for the wild.
And there's a Christmas bear. It's the bee bear. Oh, he's polar bear's cousin.
What? Where'd you get that from?
It's right next to the star.
No,
It wants white and red pollen.
from
That's
now
perfect for. What?
Max, from now on, let's go together. Max, let's go to the park for lava park for one.
Oh, sure. Let's go to the lava park. I don't know if I'll be able to make it on computer though.
I'm gonna talk to him.
He wants white and red pollen. So here is the secret parkour thing behind the honey tree that we discovered a while ago. And that's pretty easy. It's not really hard. I just sometimes fail. I failed. No! I lost all my pollen.
I didn't have any pollen.
I had some.
I just...
The person also just said he got tons of Roblox using SwiftBucks.me. We saw that in the other one too. Well, I did at least.
You told me.
I know I told you. It's easier to do this in full screen. Oh my gosh, did you just... Oh, I remember that glitch. Charlie, do you remember that sometimes when you fall in and then you jump back up really quickly, you don't die? I don't know why that works. But for some reason, that's a glitch. I'm almost scared with the royal jelly.
I remember in my last account I did it.
I overjumped. You always want to do these type of things with no pollen. Sorry, that was really weird. I don't know how to whistle. Does anyone know in the description I mean, does anyone watching this video know how to whistle? Tell me how to whistle in the comments. No, without your fingers. That's not whistling. No. You're... Are you behind me, Charlie? No. I thought you were in front of me. After 40 days, this will end, apparently. An epic sprout just appeared. I don't know where it is, though.
Epic sprouts don't give you much. Because you have to collect so much from it.
What is an epic sprout, anyways? I've seen one before, but I don't exactly know what it is.
Same here. I quit. Let's just not do it anymore.
Well, I want to try one more time.
No, I'm not doing it.
Sure.
I'm gonna go
But what
do
if I
it
get the royal jelly?
Yeah.
Well, I might. And what is the problem with me getting royal jelly? I totally did not just die.
Yeah, you did. I saw you.
I'm going one more time. I'm just gonna continue going until I make it.
So you're gonna be that.
Charlie, don't. That's
doing
so
that
squishy.
You're gonna do that for the whole episode.
Well, until I make it, that is. I hope you guys don't get bored.
Yeah.
I get 3 more tries. Okay, 5 more tries. I get 5 more tries.
Please skip this part.
If you want to skip, you can skip. I'll leave the time in the description.
We'll put some music. Alexa, play Spectre by Alan Walker.
Really?
Spectre
That
by
doesn't
Alan
sound
Walker.
like it.
Starting now on Amazon Music.
What? We'll just hop the ground now.
Okay.
And if you don't want to skip the music, just stick with us.
Hey, who said I couldn't get the royal jelly?
You just did. Okay.
Alexa, stop. Guys, I got the royal jelly.
You're weird. I feel weird.
Yay, I got the royal jelly.
You know
Now
what?
I'm gonna upgrade another one of my bees to whatever it is. Oh yeah, I also have to feed my bees some treats and some strawberries. And no, not tickets. I was
Why
like,
would bees eat tickets?
they don't eat tickets.
Yeah, but why would they?
They don't.
I'm better.
I got a rascal bee now.
I'm better than you.
That's in honey.
I'm better than you in pollen too.
Not in bees though. I have 2 red bees. Why won't he not turn into a level 4? I'll feed one to you, rascal bee. Another one to you, rascal bee. And a
Oh, no,
strawberry
no.
to you, rascal bee. Oh. Now I'm gonna work on my
If
quest.
you haven't seen the previous episode, go see it. Because this might be a series.
The sunflower field is a really good place to collect white, red, and blue pollen.
No, not blue. Blue's not a lot. White is better.
I know, but I need white and red and blue. Let me talk to Mother Bear since I'm finished.
Can you please help me do the parkour?
Okay, what was it? Okay. I got 3 treats and a ticket.
Maggie, can you please help me do parkour?
On lava there? Alright guys, we're gonna set some music again and I'll put this in time lapse. Alexa. Never mind. I think I can do this.
Next move. I'll just control him. Oh god.
Okay, never mind. You guys can stay. My strategy is working.
I think you're finished with the quest. Maybe not. The quest. You need 250 red.
Already know.
I'm gonna get you the
I
lady
know.
field.
I was close.
Okay, your thing's full.
Are you making money for me?
Yeah. Then I kind of did a quest for you.
Well, I'm trying to get me the royal jelly. What the?
What?
I literally just tripped and there was like an invisible barrier or something.
Oh, I'm gonna get some water. Bye.
Charlie is getting water while I'll just entertain everyone, I guess. So, Charlie's brother hit Charlie because they're really annoying. Yes, exactly. They hit Charlie. And then Charlie was mad. Whoops. So, accidentally turned off this iPad. Then Charlie was mad. So, he also hits his brother. Then, downstairs, for some reason the jump button isn't working. Sorry. Then, for some reason, when we went downstairs, my sister was just like, Charlie hit his brother first. And, well, she keeps on lying. And then we're just like, Dingar's a liar. Or if you were to translate that, Kalina's a liar. Kalina's a liar. So, that's what happened. I think Charlie should be coming soon now. Oh, he's coming! Charlie, I can't make it. It's almost 1.
It's almost 1?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
No, but I have to get the gift cards. Mama! No! 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 Ah!
Make it.
Let's keep on trying.
Wait, Charlie, leave the game and I'll try on the iPad. Wait, Charlie, leave the game.
Sure.
And I'll try on your account on the iPad. What's your password again?
E.
Oh,
A-E.
I remember. Oh, I remember.
It's night. Now, quiet time.
Dark Killer 99955. And password is, right, Charlie?
Sure.
E.
A-E's. A-E's.
Okay, I'm logging. Please don't hack into our accounts. You can just change our passwords. Are you gonna hack into our accounts, people?
If you do, comment down below and we'll change our passwords. And suggest what should we change it into.
Really, Charles?
What is a what?
Like you're expecting 1 million people to watch this video. I'm gonna be like 5 people watching.
It's called Hope.
Charlie, should people put on my iPad for the rest of the time?
If you want, sure. But I like small iPads better.
Okay, sure. I like this iPad more than the computer. It's just that this screen recording isn't working. I'm doing very well, Charlie. Hopefully it didn't just stop.
By total, you can see. Let's check if our Maxi's quest is complete. And it is complete.
Hey, which one?
The blue, no, with the white and red one.
Oh, that's from Black.
Where's Black Bear? I can't. Oh,
I just switched it 3 times. Charlie, you have to keep talking to entertain me.
Sure. The other story is we just we figured out to how to we figured out I know we figured out to screen record, but the thing is we after we did like 10 videos that we tried and none of them we had sound and he couldn't upload it. And then the second time Max found how to do the sound, but it didn't save and
When we uploaded it,
have sound. But this time it finally works.
I know, but then it still didn't work with uploading.
So we're trying to fix the
Yeah,
sound.
I'm trying to fix it. For some reason, I can't. I hope you're doing a good job controlling it.
Yeah, I am. Talk. Blue is mighty, red is spicy. What does he want me to do? Let's check out the quest.
Oh wait, then bees must begin was. Oh, bees must begin was from that bear. Sorry. Wait, how come it's not red and green, but it's red and white? Is there green flowers in this game?
Yes.
Really? Where?
Yeah, I don't know what's got.
Oh my gosh, what I just did was so risky, but I made it. Somehow.
Somehow over the rainbow, somehow
What
over
the?
the rainbow, somehow over the rainbow, somehow over the rainbow.
Charlie, royal jelly obtained.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, now I'm leaving. Hey, go back on small iPad now. Okay, I'm back, everyone.
Everything's doing really good.
I'm back, everyone. And Charlie, I have gotten the royal jelly for Charlie. It's from this bear.
You
Oh,
lied.
bees, Miss Tree. Oh, Bezos Tree. You shouldn't be made of honey. Oh, bees, Miss Tree. Oh, bees, Miss Tree. I'd put you in my tummy. Ho, ho, ho. 2 more quests and I'll be able to finish the first present.
Comment down for Max's singing skills.
Okay.
Where
Where is the clover field? Oh, wait, I know where that is. You have to climb the ladder, yeah. Where are the rhino beetles? I know that they're in the blue flower field, but where else are Or are they also in the clover field by any chance?
No. Yeah.
You can, if you have 6 tickets, you can buy a royal jelly, apparently. I only have 2. Oh, yep, rhino beetles are here. Help! Ladybugs are here too.
I got an epic bee. I got a commander bee.
Good job.
I did. I trust.
Come on, bees, kill! I'm gonna die.
They don't trust bees.
Oh, it died. Oh.
I'm on the same quest as you.
Okay. I think your bee's better than mine.
Yeah, because I have commander.
Yeah, I have rare. But I can get a royal jelly soon.
How we finish all the real jellies in this section.
No, there are more.
Yeah. Well.
Just that they're hard to get to.
Like when? Oh yeah. One is near Brown Bear.
Yeah.
Is that where you are?
Wait, where's Brown Bear?
Brown Bear's under Clover.
Oh yeah.
I'm running from the rhino bees.
Oh, 'cause I need to make honey now. My bees make honey quite quickly. They both take 96. That means that they both take, in total, they both take 192 in total every single time.
Mama, don't mind that.
I'm finished. Anyways, I have to go back to the clover field.
I'm at the clover field. My commander be so good.
If you get the parachute, you can get so many royal jellies. What does your Commander bee do?
I don't know what the commander. Oh,
You have to search it up in the bee section.
a strong, nonsense bee. Who
Wait, I'll
stays
just see for myself.
level-headed when
I'll see it for myself because then they can see too. Here. Energy 30, speed 14, attack 3. Energy 30, speed 14, attack 3. Energy 30, speed 14. Okay, yours is better than my Rad Bee, and it's probably also better than Rascal. Yeah, yours is better than both of mine.
Combined together.
No.
But you're better than me.
I am?
You're on leaderboard.
Well, the leaderboard doesn't tell you everything. It's only on Honey.
Yeah, you're more funny.
That doesn't mean I'm better, though. Oh, wait, we didn't even go to the panda bear yet.
Cat!
Oh, wait, I'm done. Oh, there's another royal jelly up there. How do we get there?
Gotta get well.
Over there. Do you see it?
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna look this way.
How much
do we
honey are
get
you
up
at?
there? Okay, wait, I'm gonna go discover. I'm full anyways. So, to get up there, you have to get on top of the shop. What? How do we get on top of the shop? Do any of you guys know how to get on top of the shop?
Comment down below.
Thank you. I'm gonna go buy something. I'm searching in the shop for a way. I only have 2, I think.
I got a Wooker bee, I got a rare bee. Let me just start rolling.
Ooh, I can buy the backpack. Or I can buy the clippers. Or the mag. Should I buy the magnet?
No, so look on the magnet.
I'm getting that magnet. Next, I'm gonna get the next bee, okay? I need to go make pollen. I mean, honey. Okay, anyways.
I'm better than you now.
Okay. Well, that's because I bought something. The leaderboard doesn't tell you everything, Charlie.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you have 3 bees, I forgot. Wait, can you tell me what your other bee's stats are? What is your other bee?
Oh, that?
Hasty bee, right?
No, it's the Wooker bee.
Oh, really? Where did you get Hasty bee then?
Hasty bee, I upgraded.
What do you mean you upgraded?
No, I just got Hasty bee from
Oh, Hasty
Little
bee,
Jelly.
and you had...
Then I upgraded to Commando. There's Hasty bee to upgrade to Commando.
Oh, so you don't have the Hasty bee anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, where is Commander? Wait, where's your... What's the...
Command-
What is the worker bee? Okay.
It's the lookup. Is this?
Oh, the looker. Oh, okay. I had that last time. We played this at least. Okay, anyways, time to work on my quest again. Where should I go? I have to get a sunflower seed. How do you get a sunflower seed? I need to collect blue pollen. Let me go to the blue flower field. It's over this thing.
Oh, bee smash tree. Oh, bee smash tree.
Oh.
Usually made of honey. Oh,
Business tree, oh business tree, I want to put you in my tummy.
Ho, 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 teamwork was gonna be able to finish my present.
Come on, please attack this rhino bee. I don't want to die.
I want to get the fighter bee.
The lion bee is really good.
When a fighter bee just attacks anything. Automatically.
The lion bee is one of the bees that does the most damage. Oh, I remember my bee has the explosion thing. Now I remember what effect it does. I like the explosion thing.
What
Guys,
explosion thing does it do?
it explodes like a lot of pollen, and then I gather it. Oh, my pollen container's full.
What bee explodes?
The one I have.
Oh,
Rad bee.
Yeah.
I mean rascal. Wait, is it rascal or rad? Not sure. I'm pretty sure it's a rascal. Hello there. I'm full. I collect much quicker than you now. Dark chat.
But do you have to collect a buff?
Yeah. Sadly.
Same here.
It's a coin.
My commander bee does that too.
Oh, cool. The look of me gives you like the screen thing. What? Charlie, can you seriously stop sitting?
Oh!
Please, Charlie. Okay, anyways, I'm almost finished. I'm finished. Now I just wait for them to make the last pile of honey. Now, going back, I have to feed 10 treats to my bees. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna continue collecting.
Isn't this the clover field? Where's the clover field?
It's the one you have to go up the ladder. Okay, where am I going again? Blue flower. Oh, I'm heading in the wrong direction. Once I reach 1,000, I'll go to the clover field, so I can get the other, like, 250 or so.
Bee.
Oh, bees mystery, oh, bees mystery, you should be made out of honey.
Oh, the worker bee.
Oh, bees.
The worker bee lets you see fire.
Oh, bees mystery, oh, bees mystery.
Yellow.
You should be in my tummy. That was so weird. Whoops, I'm full. I'm not full. I'm just gonna continue collecting. I collect pollen too quickly. I completely forgot. Alexa, stop. Anyways, our video is finished. So,
I guess we're gonna have to end the video.
once I make my pawnee, Alexa, stop. Okay, once I make my honey, we will end this video and we will continue. Should we continue this game again?
Sure.
Great.
And this, don't forget, this will be a series.
Yes, this will
So
definitely
don't
be.
forget to stick around. We have some awesome cool stuff.
Yeah. Once you subscribe and press the bell, you'll be notified in every video we make.
We make
And
videos.
you will never miss a video.
That's all to say.
I guess. I just have to finish getting, honey. I just saw your looker bee pass by. Anyways, obviously we have now come to the end of our video. So, I will, I guess, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Whoopsies. Okay. Goodbye.